let's get to cooking. This is what we're doing today at Memaw's house. Hey y'all, welcome back to Memaw's house. And yes, we are in the car, me and my girls, my taste testers. Nonetheless, they're not tasting a thing today. What we're going to do is ride to Aldi's. So I'm going to do a little bit of a grocery haul, shop with me, all that kind of thing, because we're going on vacation in a couple of days and I need to get some food. So y'all come on, let's go to Aldi's and get some food. Let's get to shopping. Y'all, so we're here at Aldi's and I just have a few things that I'm going to pick up for our vacation. So, and you know how Memaw goes, we got to make food for the family, and that's what I'm going to pick up now. Some ingredients for our lasagna roll-ups, our chicken, marinated chicken. We're going to have that one day, and then we're going to have some Korean beef one day. So I'm going to have another video on that, but I'll insert the videos of the other things that we'll having. We'll have the chicken with some spaghetti salad, and I have a video about that I'll insert here. And then I will have our lasagna roll-ups, which I'll insert on here as well so that you can see that too. So let's get into Aldi and get to shop. Hey y'all, I'm back at the house. So I have all my stuff laid out for you to see. I bought some ingredients for all of the meals that I told you about before, and I just wanted you to see what I got in my Aldi haul. So let me turn my camera around and I can show you what I got. Of course, y'all know that this is only a few things that we're going to need to take down. I'm going to break it down and put it into bags and get it all prepared. And I'll do that in another video. But I have my breakfast stuff here. We have some bagels and some cinnamon rolls, some cream cheese, and I'm going to bake a cake too for our anniversary, because you know me and Peepaw's anniversary is coming up. And so I'm going to bake a cake. I have some lemons and some cabbage. We're going to do that Korean meal, and of course you got to have a little cabbage for your Korean meal. I have my cucumbers for my kimchi and my zucchini. I think I may try to do a zucchini lasagna roll up along with, because I'm going to try to behave myself, y'all. You know that's hard for me. So I'm going to try to do a zucchini roll-up, like the lasagna roll-ups, so that I don't have to eat all that carbohydrate. Nonetheless, we got some corn, some cherries, some apples. I'm going to make my lemon and apples and ginger shot so that me and Peepaw can stay healthy and strong while we're out there on the beach. And then here I got some Italian dressing for the spaghetti salad, and to marinate the meat, the chicken. Got some garlic knots and some Parmesan. I didn't know that they had this, but this is a garlic bread from Aldi's. Then for the kids' snacks, some of the snacks, of course, we got some luncheon meat and some sliced cheese. Oh, and I didn't say the strawberries. They're the strawberries, because you know Miss Peyton will eat all of that by herself. Got Noah some pretzels, Peyton some Pringles, and Ari some Takis. You know, she likes that. And then they all like some cheese crackers. I'm assuming that they will probably not be doing a lot of eating, because they'll be, well, who am I to? I ain't joking. You know they're going to be eating up everything. So then I got some chicken and some shaved steak to do my bulgogi with. And of course we needed milk just to have at the house. So there is the haul. So that's the haul for my Aldi's trip. And you know we had to stop by CVS to pick up Noah's medicine, because we're not going anywhere without that medicine. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be on the lookout for the prep video, because I'll be prepping some of this food to take along with us, and I'll show you how I prepare the food. So I make my menu and I get everything all shopped out. So now you've gone through phase 2 for me. I did the menu already. Now I've done the grocery shopping, and the next video will be a prep. So I'll see y'all the next time. Y'all be blessed. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you subscribing and supporting the growth of our channel. Y'all be blessed. Bye.